Hello guys, and welcome to another special video. And this is going to be a special video because this is the last post market analysis, last weekly analysis, and also last monthly analysis video for this year, because this is the last working day for this year 2023. As you can see here, we have an yearly chart. We rarely get into the yearly chart to see what yearly chart is doing, and see, this is with all the price action that is available in the technical chart format the with the markets is right in front of us. See, if you notice, every year, okay, irrespective of the fundamental conditions, every year economy of our country tries to only rise but not fail, and that is what has happened even in this year. See, hardly you see a red candle formation. So this is corona affected year 2020 candle. Excuse me. And even this candle has seen a rejection within the same year and has given us a close, which is a positive. Okay, the only most bearish candle that we can see is in this 2008, and we all know why. So apart from that, so this is the action of the yearly chart. Okay, on an yearly format, we don't have to look at yearly charts often, and we thought we take this chance, since this is the last working day, we took the chance to just see how it's going to look, because most of us will not worry and bother about the yearly chart, right? So we took this chance to show you how the Bank Nifty chart. So Bank Nifty chart is looking great on a yearly chart, on a 12-month chart. So here we have the Nifty. Even in the Nifty, see, apart from this 2008 year again, and then 2011, a small recession there, but this is this acted as this level. Okay, in those days 6,000 acted as a small resistance, but then excuse me, after that we rarely saw a red candle on an yearly chart. So this year is also a fantastic for the Nifty. We have started this year 2023 with 18,000. Okay, we started positively, but after that we have seen some pullback, but till closing it's a fantastic year. Okay, we have seen a 3,548 points of movement in the Nifty for the entire year, whereas last year's close was around only 18,000. That's not all time high, because previous year 2021 has seen highs of 18,000. Okay, but even the corona, in spite of the corona lockdowns for a couple of months, here even in 2020 we have seen the Nifty getting closed positively at 13,800 levels. So there is no point in looking at this yearly chart if you are an intraday trader. But even if you are a positional trader, it has got a very small, it has got almost nothing that we can use. There is no info that we can use from yearly chart. Okay, so every year every country's economy will try to grow, and that is what our Indian markets are has seen even in this year. So hardly here and there you see a couple of red years, but this year has been really good for many traders. Hope you are one of them. You got benefited out of it. Okay, so okay, now let's start with our monthly analysis. Let's now get it down to 1 month and start from Bank Nifty. So here we have the Bank Nifty chart. Excuse me again. So this is the monthly chart of Bank Nifty, right? So here we have a trend line that we can draw from 2020, and in our last month special video we have discussed that on a monthly chart Bank Nifty is definitely looking bullish because of this momentum. Okay, because of this pattern called, this is bullish engulfing pattern coming right at a very important location, support area. Okay, that is this trend line which is coming on from a monthly chart, and also it has well reached the target. The initial target would have been the previous swing high, not only that, it has crossed the previous swing high, and it has given us a close almost at 48,320 levels. So on a monthly chart, Bank Nifty is definitely looking bullish. So for the next month, we on a wider picture, we can say that Bank Nifty is definitely bullish. It has taken support recently last month, and it has performed extremely well. Okay, this month following this bullish engulfing pattern at this trend line. Now we are also seeing a breakout from this level. Okay, breakout from this level. So Bank Nifty is definitely looking bullish there, and on a monthly chart and on an yearly chart. Now let's filter it down to our next time interval, which is the weekly chart. Excuse me. So in our last week's special video, we have discussed that okay, in spite of the confirmation candle and the breakout from this level, we have seen some bearish momentum, but on a weekly chart, Bank Nifty has overcome that bullish momentum, and it has given us a close right above this. Okay, so on a weekly chart also, it is looking very strong. So on a yearly, on a monthly, and on a weekly chart, Bank Nifty is looking excellent. Okay, so there is really no point, there is no doubt that one should have about the momentum of the Bank Nifty when it comes to a wider picture on a wider time frame. But let's also look at the daily time frame. Here we have seen some sort of this is not looking that bullish, especially after yesterday's candle. This is yesterday's candle. We have discussed that it is an island candle. Okay, because it has opened a gap up from the previous day's candle, and it is also closed, and it has given us a candlestick formation called a spinning top candle. Okay, so this is not looking that bullish. So yesterday we were little skeptical about that particular candle. Okay, after seeing this breakout, because of this spinning top candle, we were expecting some sort of correction, and that is what is happened exactly today. And it's a good thing, because you see, if the same candle, if it is giving us closing, okay, if it has given closing somewhere here, then it would have become evening star pattern, the whole three candles put together, these on a daily time frame. But the good thing is, even though it is a red candle, we have seen some sort of correction pullback, um, taking support at this level, this swing high. We have also discussed about this point. Somewhere there, it has taken a support, and then it strongly bounced back from there and closed somewhere at 48,290 levels. So even though it is a red candle, looks like uh, it is not interested to give us close below this previous swing high, which is now acting as a support. Okay, but not only that, if you can see, it does manage to give us a close right above this small the pre December 27 candles closing. Okay, so even though it is a red candle on the chart today on a daily time frame, on a larger picture it's definitely looking bullish. But this setup is only going to be a pause for the momentum. So once if it's crossing this level again on a daily chart, we can be again bullish for the next week. It's going to, because again it is going to be a fresh year, fresh month, fresh week. So if it's taking solid support here with a green candle, then we can again start resume our momentum towards the upside. We can assume that the Bank Nifty is going to continue its momentum towards the upside, that is its rally momentum. Now let's come to the Nifty. Now we have already seen the yearly chart, 12 months chart on Nifty, right? Okay, so let's now start with a monthly chart. Okay, so even here, okay, last month we were little skeptical. We were having a little bit of doubt there, because it didn't give us a close above this. But look at this this December month has been really excellent for the Nifty. It's super bullish on the monthly chart. It has already crossed this. See, let's imagine this momentum. Okay, this is a swing low. Here it has seen some sort of resistance, but then again it has seen a breakout from there, and here it has again seen little pullback there, creating a swing low. now it has crossed this swing high and given us a momentum towards the upside now. So on a monthly chart, it's definitely looking bullish than the Bank Nifty, because this candle is super clean. And see, this is also called as elephant candle, and it has got no wick at the bottom. From the moment it has started its journey in December, from 20,200, it's been it didn't even it didn't try to look for support towards the downside. Okay, it was continuously rallying, and now you can see that we hardly have a wick on the top. So this is very clean candle, and this is a super bullish sign on a monthly chart for Nifty. Now let's look at how the weekly chart is looking on a Nifty. Excuse me. So last week, in spite of the small red candle giving us an inside candle setup here, harami candle setup here, okay, but that is vanished with the candle that we are seeing now here in front of our eyes. This particular candle has, on a weekly chart, is been bullish. So on a weekly chart, it's been bullish. So on overall picture, Bank Nifty and Nifty both are looking very bullish, and Bank Nifty is looking like it's taking some pause on a daily time frame. So here let's look at the Nifty chart, how it's looking on a daily time frame. Yeah, even here we are looking at some sort of pause because of this candle. It has created a very strong inside candle formation here, which is Karame pattern. Now this high and this low becomes very important, and also this swing high is also going to act as a support if the Nifty is looking for some correction. So on a weekly chart, both are looking like they have taken some pause, but on a monthly and weekly charts, they are definitely looking very strong towards the upside. So good luck with your trading for the next week, and I wish you a happy new year in advance, and I wish you a happy trading also. So those who are interested to see the post market analysis of Bank Nifty and in 5-minute time frame can stay back in till the end of the video, because that is what we are going to do right now. Now let's get back to the Bank Nifty. We are in the Bank Nifty chart right now, and here we have the Bank Nifty on a 5-minute time frame. Okay, so this is the entire price action of the Bank Nifty for today. Okay, let me remove the drawing. Okay, from here it is the momentum. Okay, so this is the Bank Nifty. Now let's see where do we have chance, okay, and where were the opportunities that we did miss, or that we have taken already according to the price action, swing high, swing low. All we are going to do is now draw a support or a resistance levels using the price action of Bank Nifty on a 5-minute time frame. To start with, we can see that this definitely is a resistance, because that is the point from where we have seen a very strong momentum towards the downside, and now we have to wait for the proper swing low in this market. Okay, so like yesterday we have discussed on a daily chart. If you have not seen, I request you to watch that video, because we have seen this price action as an island top. If it is most chances are that it's going to come towards the downside, and that is what is exactly happened. Okay, if you're following us regularly, you would know that. And those who have not subscribed to our channel yet, I request you to hit that subscribe button, because most of 70% of our viewers are not subscribed but still enjoying the content. So if you are really enjoying the content, and if you think that this video is having some value, I request you to hit that subscribe button. Okay, now let's come back to this chart again, and here we have the chart. So we have a previous reaction. We already have marked it. Now all you have to do is mark a proper swing low. So this for me is looking like a proper swing low. Of course, it has seen a couple of reactions, and also we have a needle candle formation there, but you cannot take this candle immediately based on the first candle itself. Okay, you should wait for the prices to create some price action and then take. So what has happened here is, if you notice, okay, see that has been your initial swing. So here we have seen a breakout towards the downside. Okay, here we have seen the breakout towards the downside, and also a confirmation candle. So at this level you can definitely take it right towards the downside, but you should look where is the next. This is the previous reaction from the price chart. Okay, and this is the next reaction in the price chart. Now you see, if you are okay, so now if you are entering there, look at your risk versus reward ratio. Your risk would have been above this, but for many people this is definitely going to be a larger risk, so above this. So those who feel that this is a larger risk, for them the market has given again a chance to, you see, there was a chance given, a pullback happened there. Okay, so from there, okay, we have seen prices coming all the way down till here. Okay, and but if you see, if you see here, okay, you have seen a stop loss hitting at 11:55. But for those who know how to draw this proper support area, would have not seen it, because this whole thing becomes your, this whole thing, because you see this wick, this strong wick coming from a 930 candle. So even that should be considered as a support zone. Okay, so those who have drawn a resistance, sorry, support area like this would have saved their stop loss. Okay, see, and this is the entry line, right? So those who have seen the stop loss can know this now, can know how to draw a support area based on the previous candles wick sizes, and also especially this particular 930 candle is a hammer. It's okay. So here, if you notice, Bank Nifty, okay, it has taken a quite bit amount of time to reach this target. Here, if you have seen target, it is 98 points, but you have seen loss at this stage. Imagining that you are entering at a 10-15 candle at this pullback, you have seen a loss of 40 points, but you have seen a loss. It's okay, learn from this, but you have seen a target. You know already how to draw your support area, right? So this is your first target. So those who have thought that it would have trailed, it has given some chance to trial your momentum towards the downside, those might have not seen the next targets reached. Getting okay, so that's okay, it happens, it happens at times. Okay, so if you have trialed your cost from cost to cost, stop loss from cost to cost, you would have seen no profit, but you have definitely learned something out of today's market, right? So it's okay if you don't make profit, or even if you make some loss, if you're making, if you had made some loss, learn from the mistake, see how can you correct yourself technically, and try to not repeat that in the future. Okay, so that was it with the Bank Nifty, uh, with the today's price action. All right, so thank you for your support for this fantastic year. Okay, we have started recently, we have started towards the last week of third week of October approximately, and it's been a wonderful journey with you guys in the last a couple of months, and we hope your support will continue with us for the next coming year. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys, and see you in our next video. Until then, trade safe, and keep learning in the stock markets. And we have a wonderful series called Candlestick Pattern Series. If you want to make use of your weekend, I request you to watch that Candlestick Pattern Series, where you will learn about the candlestick patterns that would definitely uh, come to your help in your live trading. Thank you.